Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach us how I made this delicious coconut rice. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. Ingredients I'll be using, I have about 4 cups of rice. I have dry catfish, salt, thyme, bay leaf, seasoning cube, garlic, ginger, spring onion, vegetable oil. Please make use of coconut oil if you have. I also have 2 balls of coconut. I have 1 bell red pepper, 2 medium size of onion. I have 3 Scotch bonnet pepper. I have 4 paprika pepper, also known as Shombo in Nigeria. So what I did is to crack the coconut, cut the meat into smaller parts so that my blender will be able to blend it properly. I washed it and put it into the blender, then add warm water and then go ahead and blend. Please make sure you blend it very well so that you have enough coconut milk to cook your rice. So that's that. After that, I pass it over a sieve to get the coconut milk. We don't need the shaft. So what we need is just the coconut milk inside the bowl, as you can see. So that's that. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and prep the rest ingredients. So I went ahead to wash the pepper and the onion and then remove the seeds inside the paprika pepper and the red bell pepper. Please take note that when you cook with paprika pepper without removing the seeds inside, there's this bitter taste it gives. So take note, I cut it into smaller parts and then use my grater to grate it. This is the grater I use. This grater can be found in most Nigerian homes and hostels, school hostels. So for the garlic and ginger, I use my mother to pound it, and this is how it looks after pounding. So the next thing I did is to add a little bit of oil. After some seconds, add the ground ginger and garlic, fry it a little bit, then went ahead and add the dry catfish, that's the deboned, washed, dry catfish. So I'll just fry it a little bit before I pour in the roughly grated paprika pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, and onion. I'll allow it to fry. After it has fried, then I'll go ahead and add in the thyme, the seasoning cube, and then the bay leaf. I will stir and allow it to fry a little bit. After that, I pour in the rice. For the rice, I use hot water and salt to wash it till the water is clean. So I allow it to fry for some minutes before I pour in the coconut milk. Please take note, when adding your oil, make sure you add a little bit of oil because the coconut milk contains oil so that your rice will not have too much oil. Take note. So after that, I tested for salt. It was not okay. I went ahead and added, so I covered it and allowed it to cook in a medium heat. Please let it cook in a medium heat. If not, your food is going to burn without without the rice being soft. So after that, I checked. There is still a little bit of water, but the rice is not yet done. So I used the foil paper to cover it. This will help the steam to cook the rice till it's done. After some minutes, I went to check the coconut rice. You can see how our coconut rice is looking. So I went ahead to add the spring onion. This is going to give it a good and nice flavor. So I just tear it and then cover it and allow it to cook for some just few minutes. And then our coconut rice is ready. You can see how coconut rice is looking. You can see how delicious it's looking. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video, do have a lovely, lovely day. Bye bye.